Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Taylor and what's up? If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and follow me on my other social media pages. I hope everyone is doing well and I'm really excited for this video because it makes me feel really proud of myself that I actually kind of made some money this year. This video is definitely a little bit different than my typical videos because I'm diving into the financial side of my life. I recently turned 23, so this video is kind of a lie. No, but I just turned 23 on the 26th of December, so ultimately my entire 2020 year, I was 22 years old. I do want to say a little disclaimer that I am in no way, shape, or form trying to brag about my financial income. I know that 2020 has been an extremely tough year. I was only unemployed for a couple months, which I'm very thankful for, that I was able to get back to my job. I really enjoy watching these videos. I think they're really resourceful and helpful. So yeah, please don't think I'm coming on here to brag or be malicious in any type of way. This is just supposed to be a helpful and informative video. And the purpose of this video is basically just to share with you guys maybe some side hustles and what the back end of social media kind of looks like and seeing if it's something that you're interested in. Okay, let's just dive right into the details. So obviously I'm going to be talking about 5 different streams of income that I had this year. And the first stream of income that I have to talk about obviously is the part-time job that I hold. I do work at a brewery. I have mentioned this a few times before. And the way that that pay is set out is that we have a small hourly wage and then the rest of our pay comes in through tips. That is the big chunk of where my income comes from. I am a recent graduate. I am a recent business graduate. For my undergrad, I graduated in May, so I'm still looking for a full-time job, but for now, this is what I'm doing. My second stream of income actually comes from YouTube, which is really cool. This is something that really excites me and has always been like one of my goals in life. I do make money on Google Adsense. If you guys don't know what that is, I'm sure you probably have if you're watching this video, but basically YouTube will pay me monthly depending on if I hit $100 that month. Some of my videos have been doing really well this year, which is really exciting. I did make a TJ Maxx video that kind of popped off. A lot of you actually might be from that video, so hey. I don't want to necessarily go into the specific details of how much money I've made through Google AdSense, but it's been really rewarding and really awesome to be able to make money doing what I love. If you guys want to know a little bit more on like how to get your videos monetized, how to really make an income off of videos, then let me know in the comments down below if that's something that you're interested in watching. I could definitely hop on and share like how I got to where I'm at, even though I am definitely still growing and definitely want to grow a lot more. My third stream of income is actually on Poshmark. I made a video all about this on how I sell my clothes online, and I do want to share that I have made almost $400 this year selling my clothes on Poshmark, which is so cool because it's really nice to be able to like get stuff out of my closet and then buy new pieces. If you guys aren't doing that or you aren't selling anything online, I feel like it's so easy, especially now. I feel like Poshmark is one of the easiest things to use. All you have to do is literally have a printer and shipping bags, and that's about it. So yeah, my next biggest stream of income is affiliate links and affiliate codes. I have done a few videos partnering with certain companies, and a lot of the times these are like hit or miss. Not everybody obviously wants to shop for that specific product, and not everyone's gonna go in your description and click on your links. A lot of people end up just searching on their own in the Google bar instead of using your links. But when people do use my links and my discount codes, I say in my description a little disclaimer that I do earn commission off of that. So my biggest affiliate link commission is actually from extra wallets. I made a video on these wallets for a Father's Day video, and that video like popped off during the Christmas season, and people have been using my link and purchasing items, and I receive a small commission from that. The commission rate depends on who you're having an affiliate with. So some people might do 10% commission, other people might do 15. It kind of ranges in that area. But yeah, I've actually received about like $160 just from people buying through my links. And besides affiliate codes and links, I also wanted to talk about my fifth and final stream of income, and that is Magic Links. Magic Links is basically an embedded link creator. So if you purchase a product with my link, I receive a small amount of commission depending on the company. I haven't really received a lot of money from doing this because there is a long period of time where it has to be approved because of returns. So if someone buys a product with your Magic link and they end up returning it, your commission's gonna go down. So it's gonna go up when they buy it and then down when they return it. So it kind of takes a lot. So it actually takes a long time. Like, the process is really long, and I didn't start these until probably May. There is a big period of time, and then they pay you on the 1st of every month if you hit over $50. I just hit over $50, so January 1st I will be getting, I think it's PayPal or direct deposit. Basically, these are all kind of surrounded around my YouTube channel because this, I guess, is my side hustle. Even though I wish it was my main hustle, I'm hoping someday it is. Those are my 5 streams of income of 2020 as a 2020. Those are my 5 streams of income as a 22-year-old in 2020. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. This has been a wild year. But I hope everyone is staying safe and healthy during these times. I hope everyone enjoys the new year. I hope everyone enjoys ringing in the new year, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye.